Hi, I'm Jonny, and today we're going to be talking about the Wismec R40. The Wismec R40 joins the R80 in Wismec's duo of pod mods. It's the perfect option for vapers who prefer an integrated battery. This integrated battery has a 1700 mAh capacity, and the kit utilises USB-C fast charge technology to dramatically reduce downtime. The Wismec R40 has variable wattage from 1 to 40 watts and can be adjusted easily using the 2-button system. The kit can also be set to smart mode. When in smart mode, the R40 will detect the resistance of the atomizer head which is fitted and automatically adjust the wattage setting to the optimum level. The device is nice and compact and retains a similar shape to the R80 based on the iconic Reuleaux triangle. It's a phenomenal looking kit with dazzling grille panels, available in ruby, sapphire, black, silver and black and silver. Adding to the stunning looks of the R40 is a crystal clear 0.96 inch colour screen. This interface displays all key information including remaining battery life, atomizer resistance and your current wattage setting. Recessed within the body of the R40 is the pod cartridge. This pod is filled at the side after opening the silicone rubber flap. It utilises WV range of atomizer heads which use a push fit mechanism. Airflow can be adjusted at the base of the atomizer head to suit your preferences. The R40 comes fitted with the WV-M 0.3 ohm atomizer head for use at higher powers, resulting in great vapour production. The WV-01 0.8 ohm atomizer comes as a spare for vapers who prefer lower powers while retaining vivid flavours and decent vapour production. The Wismec R40 is the perfect device for you if you love creating large clouds from a really slick looking device which will stand the test of time.